So you want a diamond paint. You finally picked the perfect picture. You took days and days of researching. You've watched a few videos. This is my take. So, you can end up with a pen like this. Or a pen like this. Or, whoa, this one's stuck. Or a pen like this. This is called a single placer, and these are drill pens or magic wands, depending on your company. So you open your kit, and you have baggies filled with these little gems called drills. Now, the first color that I'm going to work with in this is number 18. Number 18 on the list is color 762. Its symbol is a question mark. You can go two ways. You can match up the number 18, or you can match up the question mark. You'll have a legend on the side of your work, and it will tell you which color it is. Now your kit would have gave you some wax. This is what's going to stick your drill to your pen so that you can place it on your symbol or number. I'm going to use this blue one. You're going to take the plastic off the top. So this is to protect it so no dust or debris can get in it while you're working on it. And random drills, believe it or not. So you're going to take it and you're going to push all the way through till you hit the plastic on the other side. Then you take it out. You're going to end up with a hole like this. And where did it go? It went into the end of your pen, your drill pen. So you cover your glue back up and you put it aside. Now your kit, your most basic kit, it's going to give you a boat. Yes, they call this a boat. See, because the bottom looks like a canoe or a boat. But your kit could have came with more than just the basic. It could have came with a boat that looks like this. Transparent with a pour spout. Solid white with a pour spout. Or a large boat. No pour spout. Now I don't have one of these. The next kind, but there is one that this part pops down so that you can pour it back in your baggie when you're done using your drills. So I've decided that I'm going to work on the question mark. The question mark is colored bag 18. Or 762 for the color. I went through and put the symbol on each bag, so I just have to match the symbol on the bag with the symbol on the diamond art piece. So you're going to take your bag and pour some in. Put your bag aside so you don't knock it over. Give your boat a little shake, back and forth. This way, that way. And see what the boat does? We now have round ends up. Now these round ends is what you're going to pick up. Okay? The best way to pick it up is straight up and down, like that. Now you're going to take the drill, the question mark, and place it on a question mark on your diamond painting. There you go. And you do it again. And the more that you get used to doing this, the faster you will get. And that's all. By the time that you have matched up all the symbols, they can be hearts or percentages or the alphabet or the number, you will be all the way down to the end of your work. And you have no more drills to place because all the symbols have been colored with these little drill bits. And it will be amazing. It will be shiny. It will be pretty. You will look at it from a chair across your room and go, wow, I did that. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy diamond painting. I love diamond painting. I am addicted. I don't know what to do with myself when I don't have one to do in my spare time. Bye-bye, everybody.